I would imagine it's about 5 years ago, or maybe a little more, no, it's more than that, I guess about 7. One day I went just to an IEC clinic because of a stomach deal, and they did some tests on me. And they called back the next day and they said everything was fine. And the next day the doctor called. He said, "Did they call you?" And I said, "Yes." They said everything was fine. He says, "No, it's not. Your sugar's way off." It was 200 or something at the time. I forget what the number was. So that's when I first found out. But I didn't know that I had it to then. But at work, we always had, where I was over the electrical at a place, vendors always bringing donuts, and glazed donuts was my weakness. And I probably had too many of those over the years. So I thought I felt all right, you know, other than when I found out I had it and I knew what these other people had had. I thought, I don't want to be in those shoes. I went to my local doctor and he said, "Well, we need to put you on metformin." So that was just put me on some medicine twice a day, morning and evening. I was one of the few when he said you can have chicken, turkey, or lamb, and nobody here likes lamb, but my dad was a sheep rancher. He didn't have to tell me twice I could eat lamb. So, but then first was, you know, just watching the things that you eat. Well, as far as feeling, I don't know whether I felt any better. It was just when I would check my blood count. That's when I started feeling better, when I see the numbers was coming down. I've been off them close to a year now. I think I must have started in March, because it was in May or June when I went off. Even before I went on the program, when I had it, I was in Brazil. My wife's Brazilian. I was down there for a month. And I got an email that and seen on TV that Larry Miller had died. And I thought, no matter how much money you got, if you don't take care of it, it can get you. So then when I heard that, it was right after, you know, and that it was some time after, I thought, I'm just going to look into this, because I don't want to be like Larry Miller was. And that's what really got me thinking a little bit, was with Larry Miller. Well, the main positive to me is that there's cures besides just medicine. Doesn't cure, it just helps hold the fire down, that you can do things that will basically cure it or change your system, so you don't have to rely on all that medicine. In fact, I told one guy that was an all-state basketball player. His team took state in high school, and I told him, I says, "You need to go down to this." And he says, "Well, there's nothing you can do about it." He says, well, he's got so his feet are numb now, and I mean, he's younger than me, and now I can beat him in a game of basketball. But he said, "My doctor says there's nothing you can do about it. His mother has it, and there's nothing you can do. You just got to just try to live with it." And I told him, well, that's not correct. So, and I told another person about it and stuff, but you know, it's up to them. You know, you can tell them, you take a horse to water, but you can't make him drink.